Good afternoon. My name is Duan Castañeda. I live in Facatativá. I am a student in Business Administration in the University National Open and Remote. 8 semester curso. I am 23 years old. Today I will talk about the Corralito restaurant. It is located in Facatativá at 5 number 8 17 seats. It's a restaurant with Mexican food and fan food. The specialty the restaurant is the ranchero hot dog, which is delicious. Service is splendid, very formal attention in fact. The plate has as decoration direct reference to Duke Programa del Chavo del Ocho. I am it's very clean and organized. I want to invite you to visit these places and do their details.